What's up, everyone? Oh, sorry. Let me get rid of that. What's up, everyone? This video is all about an upgrade for my compact vlogging rig, which is my GoPro. Roll intro. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you kind like those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I posted a new video. And to my current subscribers, thank you very much for your support and for watching most of my videos. You guys are awesome. Last year, I did a couple of videos about my GoPro as my compact vlogging rig. You can check them out in the card up there or in the links in the description below. If you guys have watched those videos, I think you know by now that the Saramonic SR-XM1 is my main mic for my GoPro. But for this video, we're gonna use the Saramonic Blink 500B2 together with a GoPro Shorty copy. And the reason why I like this, it has two functions. It can be your tripod and it can also be your monopod at the same time, which gives you more versatility when capturing your videos when you're vlogging. These two new gears is a perfect combination. For the video, the tripod maximizes the wide angle capability of the GoPro. Especially when you're out vlogging, you are very much sure that you're in frame. And of course, if you're going to use the Saramonic SR-XM1 or other shotgun microphones with this tripod, your audio will kind of suffer because it's a bit more far away from you as the monopod extends. That is why we got here the Blink 500 as a substitute for my SR-XM1. So I'm gonna set it up right now. Connect the RX to the GoPro adapter using the TRS to TRS cable. Then connect the lavalier microphone to the TX. Turn on the GoPro, the RX, and the TX, and boom, audio problem solved. With this combination, it gives us the versatility to move freely. And of course, let me show you what I mean about this. So we're gonna do a vlogging comparison and an audio test between the Saramonic Blink 500 and the SR-XM1 using this monopod or the GoPro Shorty. Unfortunately, I can't go outside right now because currently the world is on lockdown. So we're gonna do this vlogging test inside our home. So let's go! This is an audio test using the Saramonic SR-XM1 and it's directly connected to my GoPro Hero 5. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. This is an audio test using the Saramonic SR-XM1 connected to my GoPro with the monopod extended. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. This is an audio test using the Saramonic Blink 500B2 and I'm using the lavalier mic as you can see here. And let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. This is an audio test using the Saramonic Blink 500B2 and I'm using the lavalier microphone here and currently the monopod is extended. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. Right, so this is what I'm talking about when I said the versatility of the Blink 500 together with the GoPro. You can move around freely. You can do whatever you want while recording using this combo. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. And that's it, guys. So what do you think about the Saramonic Blink 500 on my GoPro? Do you like the sound of it compared to the SR-XM1? Let me know in the comment section below. Based on the videos that I took earlier, I gotta say that the Saramonic Blink 500 does picks up my voice very well compared to the SR-XM1. However, I'm not gonna ditch the Saramonic SR-XM1 because I'm gonna use this as my backup microphone. Mainly the reason is that the Saramonic Blink 500 is a battery powered microphone. So whenever I lose battery with my Blink 500, I'm gonna use the Saramonic SR-XM1 as my backup. Also, there's a bonus tip that I would like to share to you guys using the Saramonic Blink 500. This is a neat trick and it's good to have it, although it's not advertised by the Saramonic. You can use the Saramonic Blink 500 together with a Y splitter to monitor your audio while you're recording. First, you'll need an audio splitter that has a mic and a headphone input. I got here a Ugreen audio splitter. Now remove the jack from the RX and insert the splitter, then connect the one that we removed earlier. And now connect your headphones to the monitor input. And voila! You can now hear the audio that's coming out from the TX in real time. The downside is there is no volume adjustment for this, so the monitoring volume is a bit low. But if you have a headphone with a volume rocker, it will work. In my case, I did plug in my MSI gaming headphones, and the volume rocker did raise the volume up a bit, but not too much. But still, it is good to have this function in case you needed it. Besides, you just need a cheap adapter to make this work. And so that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I posted a new video. Again, this is the Art of Sir Eden Tech version, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you in my next video, guys. Stay at home. Peace. Alright, as you can see, it's already starting, and these guys are going to the
Yes!
Run Road. Unfortunately, I couldn't join them because it's too late for me when I tried to register, so I'm just gonna document this stuff and let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so we're doing a sound test using the Saramonic Blink 500 together with the GoPro Hero 5. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds, and also we're gonna do a moto vlog. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so we're doing a moto vlog right now, and I forgot to put the dead cat on my lavalier mic, so let's see how this handles the wind sound. GoPro, stop recording.